Hey everybody, and welcome to Tuesday Science. I am Miss Stephanie, and this is Benjamin the bear over here next to my globe. Today we're going to talk about animals, zoo animals in particular. So yesterday, everybody watched the video, My New Animal, and you created a new animal. Its likes, its dislikes, where it lives, how it moves, what's on him, everything. You created this brand new animal because you're just amazing scientists and you found it. So now we're going to take our animal back and we're going to put him in the zoo. All right? So in your science journals, you should be flipping to the next page, which should be say zoo animals at the top, okay? So yesterday you created your new animal. Today we're going to do the zoo page. So what animals might you find at the zoo? Everybody loves the elephants. That's my favorite. So elephants are found at the zoo. How about tigers? Can you find tigers at a zoo? Yep, you can find tigers. And zebras? Zebras too. All sorts of animals live in zoos from all over the world. This is a koala from Australia. They live in zoos too. What if you had to guess the animal? That's kind of what we're doing. We're guessing now our wonderful animal that we found. How can we take it out of the wild, the habitat you decided it lived in, and bring it to a zoo? So now we're playing a guessing game as these amazing, famous biologists of what and how we can keep that animal in a zoo for everybody to see. So what we're going to do is you're going to draw your animal's zoo habitat. You can draw your animal in there as well, but think about the habitat that you're going to create. Does it live in a cage? Does it live part water, part land? How about like with the elephants? This is where they would live out in the wild, where they have some water lakes to go into, and then it's all grass and some sparse trees. But in the habitat where they are at the Portland Zoo, there's not a whole lot of trees, there's a few. Lots of property for them to roam because they are so big. And then what else? What else do they have? That's right, they created this beautiful water area where they can go and play in the water because they like to play, especially the baby elephants. So think of all the things that not only does he need to survive, the basic needs that we worked on yesterday, because he'll need the basic needs in this zoo habitat, but all the things it needs. Like I said, is it a cage? Is it inside? Is it outside? Where is your animal going to live at the zoo? So its environment and its habitat at this point are very, very important. And that's what you're mostly going to focus on when you do this drawing. And then you're also, I want you to write the name of the animal again. And maybe you're going to point out the parts of your environment as well. Just like the flower parts where you're going to label, this is grass, these are trees, this is the water pond where, so all those things, go ahead and label them like our flower parts that we worked so hard on. Parts of the environment. Zoo environments are very, very, very special. They're very special to each animal that lives there, right? They don't all just go in one big cage and see how they go. They're in different areas, and their habitats, their environments at the zoo, people try to match the best they can to where it came from. So you did the environment of where it lived in the wild yesterday. Now, how is your animal going to live in the zoo? Really, really important. All right, so world famous biologists, go out, have fun. Try to read some books today, maybe about life cycles. That might give you an idea of how it needs, because every animal has a life cycle. What's the life cycle of your new animal that might help you create the perfect environment in a zoo for them to live out their whole life cycle? All right, have fun with this, guys, and I will see you tomorrow on Wednesday. Bye. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the notification button.